Making sense of the percentage symbol, percent. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving deeper into the world of numbers and counting in English, and we're going to unravel the mysteries of the percentage symbol, percent. This little symbol has a significant role in English, especially when dealing with numbers, mathematics, or even when discussing things like sales and discounts. Let's get started. The percentage symbol, percent, is a special symbol used in math and everyday life. It represents the concept of out of 100, or per hundred. For instance, when we say 50%, we mean 50 out of 100, or half. In English, the symbol itself is pronounced as percent. It's also important to note that when writing percentages in English, the number always comes before the percentage symbol. For example, 20% is correct, whereas plus is not. In the real world, you're likely to encounter the percentage symbol, percent, in various contexts. It's used in mathematics for calculations and also in day-to-day situations, such as sales and discounts. This item is 50% off. Statistics and data representation. Approximately 70% of the population voted in the election. Interest rates in finance. The interest rate on this loan is 2.5%. Grading in education. He scored 95% on the test. Understanding how the percentage symbol is used in these scenarios can help improve your comprehension of English significantly. Now, let's practice. Always remember, practice makes perfect. Here are some examples. I completed 80% of my homework. The store is offering a 15% discount on all items. Only 10% of the class passed the test. The team has a 75% chance of winning the game. In each of these sentences, the percentage symbol, percent, helps to quantify or describe a specific proportion of a whole. So, that's it for today, folks. You've learned about the percentage symbol, percent, what it signifies, its pronunciation, and some real-world applications. And remember, the percentage symbol is always accompanied by a number that comes before it. We hope this video has been helpful in your English language learning journey. Keep practicing, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!